what's up? It's me, John Bourne. You know, I just hit over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, so they sent me my plaque in the mail. I'm waiting on my colleague. I think that's her right now. We're about to do a body paint shoot. So there she is.
Hey y'all.
What's up, people?
How you been?
You shut these doors when you do the tour. It's been a minute.
I know. How you been? How's everything? Oh my god. Wow.
We did so many body paint shoots, and I haven't seen her in so long.
I know.
No, I just saw you in traffic.
I know. Y'all, why did I randomly see him like outside in traffic? Literally, I'm in the car and I'm like, John. He stops the traffic and then.
Like, y'all gotta wait. See my bill. We need a tour. This the new spot. It's the studio.
Good. I love how it's so spacious.
You remember that piece, right?
I do.
I had that for a couple years. That's one of my faves. You know, you got your snacks and your if you party.
One thing about John, he's always gonna have snacks and drinks. Okay.
This is a fact. That's from Primo's album release. That was in like 2014. That was crazy. But that's one of my babies. This one isn't one of my babies, but it's still.
But I really like this one. I don't know, it just tells me something. It's like,
It's fire. Infinitely this. My little baby.
I love this orange.
For some reason, everybody likes these things so much, but this is the one I put the least thought into. Maybe that's why.
That's mine.
I gotta stop thinking. Just do it, right? This one's not
I just love the fact that like it's easy going up the stairs.
This is the living room where we're gonna do the unboxing at today once we're done painting.
The vibe, y'all.
Y'all getting the tour with her, so welcome. Welcome to my home. Oh yeah. This ain't done yet. I still gotta paint a lot of it,
But you get the point.
but we're good.
And then, yeah. You love you, woman.
I might have to censor this part out, but
Oh, wow.
pick up the collection. I got my roller days on deck because I want to skate, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't know how to roller skate.
Don't tell me you busted your ass.
I did. That's why I'm scared to roller skate. I couldn't even go ice skating. Like,
So can you skate on the four wheels or no? Hey, there's no skates for you.
we could try though. Oh, wow.
This is where the magic happens.
So nice.
This is such a good painting. That's from like 12 years ago. You could tell my signature used to be different back then.
Oh my god, the signature. Everybody go crazy with the signature on their ass. Stamp.
So this is what we're gonna paint. We're gonna body paint first.
Yeah.
Then together we're gonna unbox this baby.
Okay.
100K subscribers, silver plaque. Shout out to
Shout
YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Next. It's nice. I don't know if they got gold or platinum. I don't know if they got gold and platinum or it just skips the platinum. But
Y'all make rose gold?
we working on it though. But hopefully this video go crazy and we will get another 250,000 subs or more.
Thank you guys. We love and appreciate y'all support.
We do.
Stay tuned.
Oh, so bad. I'll see you in a bit. Gotta go.
I'm back. So what do you guys think John is going to be painting on me today? Leave a comment. Stay tuned.
The sketch has been laid. I don't know if you can tell what it is from that angle, but I'm about to get to it. Got my Alpha Flex.
Okay.
Shout out to Alpha Flex. Appreciate y'all. Got the best canvas in the world.
Art piece.
Art piece. Total art piece. Next
Shout out to the best artist, John Bourne.
Why, thank you. I appreciate you. But yeah, next time you see us, should be fully painted. It'll be a masterpiece on a masterpiece. So we'll be back again.
Stay tuned.
I can see me in you. You come to me when I need a muse. Only time will tell the truth. We can meet at the fountain of youth. Your body, my canvas. I made you a masterpiece. We've both been damaged. It might turn into a tragedy. You know you inspire me. I praise you nobody, and no one's seen that side of me but you. As far
And that's
as my
that.
eyes can see.
She's all painted up, looking pretty, looking beautiful, looking flawless as usual. Maya, Kylie, we've known each other for
Years.
let me think. We met when I was living like off of Melrose, right?
Yeah. When you had that nice ass car.
The
It
orange
was
one.
like, yeah.
We had 3 of them.
Oh,
The
God.
Corvette, the limo, the van. It was crazy.
That shit was just laying outside.
We're gonna do that again, bringing it back.
Yeah.
But we just finished up the artwork. We're about to go downstairs and unbox this YouTube plaque. I know y'all been waiting for this. I've been waiting for it. I had the plaque for like like a month or 2. It's just been sitting here, and I've been waiting for the right time to unbox it. It's the perfect time to unbox it when I'm with my lovely muse tonight. You know what I'm saying? We did some cool artwork for y'all. We're gonna go unbox this silver plaque. So I hope you're ready. Let's do it.
Come on.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to unbox this motherfucker?
I am.
Ooh, it's about to go down. Let's do it. Betty Boop. We did it.
We did.
So this is what y'all been waiting for. The unboxing of the YouTube silver plaque. Like I said earlier, I don't know what comes next, if it's gold, platinum, or what. But I've been waiting to open this for like 2 months now, and I'm finally here to do it.
Oh my God, I'm so excited to open it up with you.
Here with my favorite, we're gonna get it done. We're gonna do the honors.
Yeah.
Oh, they got a little message in here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what it
Shout out
says.
to YouTube.
Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000th? No, I don't. Your 100,000. I don't remember any of that stuff. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you, blah, blah. We're proud to honor you and press this milestone, blah, blah. You know you got much more coming. Keep creating, keep building, etc., etc. But yeah, that's the certificate of authenticity from YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to YouTube. It's been a long time coming. I done got banned on TikTok after getting 4 million followers for doing the same type of work. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to YouTube for making sure that I was able to thrive on the platform. The plaque is in, the silver plaque. I'm gonna go put this on the wall. I don't know where. I don't know if I should put it in the studio, in my bedroom, in the living room, but I'm gonna put it up somewhere. But we finally got it, y'all. 100,000 subscribers, thanks to y'all.
Thank you guys. Shout out to you, John
Oh,
Born.
we
We
did
did it. Congratulations, John Born.
Thank you, baby.
Shout out to you too.
Hey, we lit.